How to use interactive widgets on iOS 17. So this is a new feature. You can try it out on iOS 17 beta. And to do that, you just need to install native Apple widgets like reminders, Apple Music podcasts. So just tap and hold, tap plus, and just do the thing you're doing with any other widget. So then just search widgets, like for example, podcasts. And then just tap add widget. And then something like that. But then, for example, in reminders, what I can do right from the widget, I can complete reminder tasks like this. There you have it. And I don't need to open the task, whatever. So before I needed to, to tap on the widget, go to reminders app and open it from there. Now I can just do it like this. I can select different lists, and this is like the standard thing. Then I can just tap and hold, and then that's basically the idea. That's how it works. So then you can just kind of enable that and just use this what's called interactive widgets on iOS 17, where you can do a lot of interactions and actions right from the widget. You don't need to tap on the widget and go to the app and do actions from there.